Alright, welcome back to another video. This one's going to be a special video here, and yeah, we're going to do a day in the life / me talk about my favorite trading setup, so to have some value. But normally when we do a day in the life, it's a day in the life of trading. So what are we doing with trading? We're not like all of these guys who just post day in the life all flashy. They're not doing that every day. No, we are working, we are trading, and if they're done trading in the morning, then they should be utilizing their time for other stuff. So during the week, you know, now it's Sunday, so it's not a trading day. So since it's not a trading day, I'm gonna go today and enjoy a bit, and I'm gonna go take out a car and try a car that I wanted to test to see if it's a nice daily. So I'm gonna bring you guys along for that. So with that being said, let's get straight to it. Pulled up to the place now. So yeah, let's go inside. All the people who want the Lambos, there you go, there's your Lambo. Happy? Have to show a Lambo in a Forex video. It's part of it. Alright guys, we got the G-Class, and yeah, this is a very expensive car. I wanted to see how it is as a daily use car, just to test it out, you know, and we can have some fun. You know, today's a non-trading day, so you know, you have some time. You have to work to, you know, every single day, you know, leave no stone unturned, but sometimes we can have some fun. So decided to take the G for a test drive today, and yeah, you know, it's a cool car, to be honest. You feel like you're the king of the road, and I've always wanted. A lot of people have them here. It's super common, which is surprising, but I just wanted to see how it is, how it feels to drive, and all of that, you know. So yeah, that's why I decided to take it out and see if it's worth the price, because I'm gonna do a small pull here, of course, as a G-Class, see what this 4-liter engine's got. Yes, sir. All right, so how do I look in a G? I think it suits me, you know, but yeah, I decided to take this out for the day. Do I think it's worth the price for a supercar, for a G-Class? No, I don't think it's worth the price. It's cool, definitely. I think if for a daily use car, yes, I would definitely. If I had tax rebate and I could register this as a £6,000 car and let my tax returns pay for this, then yeah, potentially I would use this as a daily use car. But just to go outright and buy it, I don't really think it's that much worth it for what you get. I think it would be worth it to buy a supercar, but that's what I wanted. Gonna enjoy the car for the day, but just wanted to bring you guys along. It's a nice, you know, this is sometimes what I like to do, go test different cars. You know, it's about experiences. You can't always go full pelt every single second. You need, it's like a market, right? When you're pushing hard, you need small pullbacks to continue. Markets just don't go straight up, and if you push yourself too hard, you are going to run into the ground. But you have to push yourself very hard, much harder than your mind wants to be pushed. But once, you know, but you can take times to enjoy some things, right? Because that's what you're working for at the end of the day. So remember that. And yeah, of course, this wouldn't be a Tradesharpe video without some value. So after this fun stuff's off the way, we can get back to the charts, and I'm going to explain to you how to execute on my favorite setup in price action. It's a setup we use a lot on stream, and yeah, it can definitely help you guys trading. So yeah, I'm probably going to cut to that, and we can talk about that exact Forex setup and why I enjoy to use it. Just a quick reminder, I am doing a $10,000 funded account giveaway, or the equivalent money. So if you want to be part of that, it's super easy to enter. All you have to do is leave a like on this video, be subscribed to my YouTube channel, and leave a comment. But the giveaway will be done on Instagram, so you better be following my Instagram. And on my latest post, that is basically the preview of this day in the life video, just leave a comment on my latest post, and if you tag a friend, you get an extra entry, and the winners will be selected on the next day. So that is going to be the Monday. So I wish you guys luck, and don't worry if you're watching this video in the future, we are running giveaways for the next 3 weeks every single week from Sunday, and the winners will be selected on Monday on the live stream. So if you missed this giveaway, then you will catch the next one, but follow my Instagram so you know when we do the next giveaway. And yeah, super simple. Comment on the latest Instagram post, tag a friend for an extra entry, leave a like on that, and the winner will be selected on Monday. So I wish you all luck, and yeah, let's continue with the video. Alright guys, so you know it couldn't be a Tradesharpe video without some value in the video, and you see it in the title. I'm talking about one of my favorite setups. It's a setup that we normally take on stream a lot, and it's one that I like, and I want to explain it more into depth so you guys know what to look for. And yeah, you know, tell me if you like these type of videos, and if you're new to the channel, leave a subscribe, a like. All of you guys should leave a like anyways. Join the Discord if you have any questions and want to be part of a community. And yeah, so let me know if you like these type of videos where a bit of lifestyle, a bit of stuff like that. I'm thinking of doing like a monthly special like this. And yeah, for me, the G class was pretty cool, to be honest. Now let's talk about my setup here, right? So I'm gonna call this the G setup because it's the video with the G class, so we'll call it the G setup. And first of all, let's say we have a bullish bias. So BU for bullish, right? So why do we have a bullish bias in this scenario? And this is, you'll find this out by watching my session bias video. You have to understand what session bias is, and I do have that on my YouTube. Session bias essentially means when you come to a session, whether that be London, New York, blah blah blah, what are we looking for, buys or sells? And that's, you'll find that out by looking for the session bias. So if today the session bias is bullish, means we're only looking for buys. So what we want to happen is if we're only looking for buys, we want price to pull back. The reason we want price to pull back is we want it to give us a better entry price to continue the bullish momentum, right? And we want this to happen recently. We want this to happen for us trading London. We want it to happen in Asian session. And for you guys who will trade New York, you want this to happen towards the back end of London session, right? So essentially how this is supposed to happen is that we find a resistance. So let's say we were pushing up in Asian session because we're bullish today. We pushed up in Asian session, and then we pulled back like this. And then we continued pushing up bullish, just roughly drawing this. And then we found a resistance here, and this is happening like, let's say, late Asian or something, right? This also creates our Asian high up here, right? And we pull back like this. So once we pull back like this, this has now created us a great range to be able to trade, because all of this zone here has become an LTA. And most recent, we know that price can move cleanly in this zone. So when we're looking to continue the move for buys, we can use all of this zone to an advantage, and we don't have to buy the highs. We are buying at good prices down here, right? Because we expect price to go up during the day because it's a bullish bias. So what we need to happen is pre-session. What we need to see is we need to see a support form like this. But then actually what we want is, we don't want it to continue. We want it to reject. We want it to reject here like this. Maybe come down like this. And then all the idiots take sells here because they don't understand bias. Then we see it come back, and they're like, oh, why did it come back? Oh, price action doesn't work. I get caught out in a fake out. It's like, nope, you took the wrong direction. Maybe we see it attempt to break the range and it fails. And then maybe we see it come down. And this is what's created pre-session. All right. So this is all created pre-session. I'm going to stop drawing, otherwise I won't have any space. Like this. Right. So we create this pre-session. Now what we've created here is we've created a resistance up here and a support down here. So this is really nice to see because we've created a base. We know that price should respect this base during the session. And if we do close above this resistance, we will be doing what all of these candles could not do. And we will be able to continue to the nice target that was created for us pre-session. So all we wait here is for on the 15 or 30 minute, you need to look for the setup, is we wait for the closure above this resistance like this. And boom, we get the move towards the upside. And that's going to be the move you're looking for, closer towards London Open or close towards New York Open, or just at New York Open or at London Open. Around those times, the volume times, is when you want to take this position. So what we're going to do is we're going to put a position like this. right? Your stop loss is gonna go below the candle low if it's a big range. If it's a small range like 16 to 18 pips, just put your stop loss below the range, right? So just put your stop loss below the range if it's a small range. If it's a big range, just keep your candle below the previous candle low. Target's gonna be the top of the range or the resistance that was created, and boom, that should be a nice clean trade, and it's one of my favorite setups. Nice and clean, simple, straight to take profit. So hopefully most of the time. So that is basically that trade. Works the same way for bearish. Bearish would just pull up before the session, create a range, close below, and then you're heading on the way down. And yeah, that's how that works. Pretty simple, pretty clean. And yeah, let me know if you guys like this video. If you do like these type of videos, let me know in the comments below if you did enjoy it. I always appreciate your comments. And yeah, with that being said, take care, trade sharp, and until next time, peace.